One of the things that I heard you say was for JSW to do EVs on its own outside of your tie-up with MG Motors. So you already have a joint venture with MG Motors. Why is it that you're now thinking of going solo, and what is it that you have in mind?
Yeah, no, I think if you look at the India opportunity set, I think it's an incredible opportunity. And today, EV penetration in India is only 2%. Last year, 100,000 cars got sold in India, and government has an ambition to reach 30% by 2030. That would mean close to 2 million to 2.5 million new energy vehicles will need to be on the road. While our partnership with MG is something that we are very excited about, and we are going, very aggressively. We're launching new models every 3 to 6 months. But a joint venture setup has its own limitations. And while we are navigating that, we felt that we don't want to lose out on this opportunity. And hence we thought that we should establish our own car, the JSW car. And hopefully within the next 18 to 24 months, we'll have a JSW car as well on the road.
We've seen the Mahindras make a big splash with the Born Electric EVs. So when it comes to your vision of what a JSW car looks like, what category of the market are you aiming at, and what vision do you have in mind?
Yeah, I think affordability is still a very, very big part of the game. So customers in India definitely look at affordability. They look at lifetime ownership as well as range. So I think that's very important. We want to play in the 10 to 25 lakh rupee range. That is going to be our sweet spot. Already with MG, we launched the Windsor at a very attractive price, which even after all the slew of launches at the Bharat Mobility, we are the most affordable EV in the market. And I think that's what's going to push penetration in the country. So even with the JSW car, we are looking at solutions for affordability and solutions for range. And one of the things that we are proposing to the government is to look at plug-in hybrids favorably and to reduce the GST on plug-in hybrids. Because while the charging infrastructure is developing in our country, in order to get the range anxiety out of the consumer's mind, plug-in hybrid is a great transition technology. So at JSW, we will be focusing on battery electric vehicles as well as plug-in hybrids.